We're going to look at putting these numbers in order from least to greatest. I think the best thing for us to do is notice how we've got fractions and we've got decimals and we've got square roots. Let's get a decimal for each one of these so we can know what we're dealing with. I'm going to do that with the Desmos graphing calculator. I'll be sure to link it below in the description. That way you can bookmark it and use it easily. I'm going to be using the Desmos calculator that you are going to be able to use on STAAR. So it's definitely one you want to practice with. Right now that we're in the Desmos calculator, I want to get that value for square root of 7. The way you have to type that in is SQRT. That was SQRT, and then you can put your 7. Notice I've got a value of 2.64 I'm probably going to use here. You can definitely go to number 2 here and type in the other value for us is square root of 3, so SQRT 3, and I've got a value of 1.73. And the only other one I needed was 5/4, so let me go to number 3 here, and I'll do 5 divide by 4, and I get a decimal of 1.25. Now I think I have all the decimals I need to be able to put these numbers in order. So remember, we had square root of 7 was 2.64. We had square root of 3 was 1.73. Then we have this 0.06. Then we have a negative 1.5. And then we had a negative 5/4, which would be negative 1.25. Okay, remember the first two and the last one we got from Desmos. So let's put them in order from least. So that's going to be your biggest negative. That's going to be your least value. And in this case, that's your negative 1.5. So this guy is out. Next, we'll use a smaller negative, which would be negative 1.25. Now let's deal with the positives. Those are going to be easiest because you can put those in order from least to greatest here. So we're going to go to our biggest positive. We're going to start with the smallest positive and work our way to the biggest one. So that's 0.6. Then I've got the 1.73, which was the square root of 3. And then I've got the 2.64, which is the square root of 7. So friends, really use that Desmos graphing calculator to get your decimals, and then you work your way from your biggest negative to your biggest positive.